Welcome back to Be Pro Rider, where we bring you the latest updates on all things motorcycles. Today we have some exciting news for all the Royal Enfield enthusiasts out there. After much anticipation, Royal Enfield has officially unveiled its all-new 2025 Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450. This adventure bike is set to shake up the market with its rugged design, powerful engine, and off-road capabilities. Let's dive into the details of what makes this new release so special. Engine and performance. The Guerrilla 450 is powered by an all-new 450cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine designed to offer both power and efficiency. With around 40 bhp on tap, this engine promises a smooth ride whether you're on the highway or tackling off-road terrain. The 6-speed gearbox ensures a seamless riding experience, while the torque delivery has been tuned for optimal performance, especially in challenging off-road conditions. Design and build. The design of the 2025 Guerrilla 450 perfectly reflects its adventurous spirit. Built with durability in mind, it features a rugged frame, a high-mount exhaust, and a sturdy skid plate to protect the undercarriage during off-road adventures. The aggressive stance, wide handlebars, and large 21-inch front wheel all contribute to its off-road-ready look. The bike is available in a variety of bold colors and military-inscribed graphics, reflecting its Guerrilla off-road capabilities. What truly sets the Guerrilla 450 apart is its exceptional off-road capabilities. With long travel suspension, ample ground clearance, and knobby tires, this bike is designed to conquer difficult terrains with ease. The lightweight frame ensures agility, while the bike's dual sport setup allows for versatility on both paved and dirt roads. Modern features. Royal Enfield has incorporated modern technology into the Guerrilla 450 without losing its signature retro charm. The bike comes equipped with a full LED lighting system, a digital analog instrument cluster, and optional smartphone connectivity for navigation. Safety features like dual-channel ABS provide added confidence whether you're riding on the streets or exploring remote trails. The 2025 Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 is a true adventure machine, combining the brand's classic DNA with modern performance and technology. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone looking for a versatile everyday ride, the Guerrilla 450 has something to offer. Be sure to stay tuned to Be Pro Rider for more updates, reviews, and detailed breakdowns of this exciting new bike.